What makes EarthChimp organic protein powder special? Let's find out together. Over the course of my life, pursuing fitness through things like breakdancing, calisthenics, martial arts, and yoga, I have tried a lot of different protein powder brands. And to be honest, I usually opt towards more traditional whey-based protein because my historic experiences with plant-based protein powders just haven't been that great. The plant-based protein powders that I've tried in the past have all basically been pea protein, which in my opinion has a very strong raw vegetable-like taste when you drink it, and also has a very strange, thick and clumpy texture whenever you try to blend it in a blender bottle. But the team at EarthChimp graciously sent me one of their packages to try, and it does seem really interesting to me because it's not just another generic pea protein powder blend, but rather it is a really holistic organic blend containing things like pumpkins, sunflower seeds, coconut, a bunch of other organic fruits, cocoa, and yes, still pea flour because I guess that's just a must for plant-based protein powders. Still while only containing 3 grams of sugar, so still very healthy for a concoction that sounds like it's going to be very naturally sweet. It also contains 1 billion CFU probiotics, which are known to aid in digestion, so this seems like a really healthy supplement to take overall, and that's something that you usually have to buy a separate supplement for and not something that you find in protein powders. This is my very first time trying out EarthChimp, so we're going to try it out together and I'm going to give you my honest opinion on what I think. All right, we have it blended. It blended really easily compared to my normal experience with plant-based proteins, not gonna lie. But how does it taste? Let's see. Yeah, so this protein powder tastes kind of like drinking breakfast, if that makes sense. It's good. It doesn't have that pea protein powder taste that I sort of talked about earlier in the video. It actually tastes quite refreshing, and it does taste kind of like you're drinking, I guess, oatmeal or like cereal and milk together. As I drink more of it, if you've ever lived outside the US before, the smell and taste of it seem very similar to me to a drink called Ovaltine, which is really popular to take for breakfast. Since I like Ovaltine, I'll have to admit that the taste of this vegan protein powder blend is really good, and it is much better, and in my opinion, it is much more well done than other plant-based protein powders that I've tried. I could definitely see this protein powder being something that I would add into my daily routine. And with the added benefits of having probiotics and other organic ingredients, I think it could have a lot of good health benefits besides just containing protein. I do want to note too that the protein per serving is slightly less than whey-based protein powders. It contains 20 grams of protein, whereas the ones I normally take contain 24 to 25 grams. So personally, for my own macros, I would still be supplementing it with protein bars instead of just completely using it to replace my breakfast meal. But depending on your fitness goals, I could see how this could be a meal replacement and could very well aid in muscle recovery, muscle growth, and also weight loss as a meal replacement because it only contains 120 calories. Overall, I will say I am quite surprised and impressed with EarthChimp. I would view this personally not just as a protein powder brand, but rather like a health drink or health supplement to take that will not only add to your protein, but again, give you a lot of other health benefits as well. So if you're looking to switch to plant-based protein, or you're just looking for a healthy supplement to add to your daily diet, or especially if you're a big fan of Ovaltine like me, then pick up some EarthChimp for yourself. I think you'll really enjoy it.